Hey y'all, it's Wild here. Wanted to share something that I really love about Kloudfuse. If you haven't heard from us, we make a awesome full stack observability platform. Runs inside your in-house environment in Kubernetes. Killer pricing model, no egress fees. But check this out, okay? Kloudfuse supports all the data sources that you probably would want to debug for an infrastructure. But this is one thing I really love. So I'm going to pop over to services. And I'll sort by error rate because this is a demo. Let's check out some services that aren't doing so well. I'm going to click this front end service. Now, here's the key thing. A lot of graphs, a lot of things here. I'm never going to leave this screen to get all the info that I need. So watch this. First, I look at the service itself, where it is, a little bit of info about it. I have red metrics, request, errors, duration, all that kind of cool stuff, execution time. But I see errors here. I might want to dig in and figure out what's going on. So what's the context I need? Well, I might need to understand the span names that are being called, where the latency is, where the error rate is. We can see a little bit of that here. We got metrics for the spans. A deployment might have happened recently. So I've got not only got metrics, but information about that deployment. Errors. And I'm not talking bad login. I'm talking like real errors. Click here on this chart and I get the data and the stack trace associated with it, which is super helpful to software development teams. On and on. Dependencies. So this front end service, what is it dependent? What's dependent upon it? A front end proxy. How is it doing? What is dependent on the front end service? We got a number of other services. Cart, checkout, ad, product catalog. You've probably seen this demo before. But look at this. Even a service map. So I can see how this service relates to the other services, how it is being called, if errors are existing and other things like that. Now, boom, down into the traces. Billions of traces. Let's look at the errors only. So I can quickly pop in. Let's take a look at this first one, front-end proxy. Boom, I get to look at the flame graph itself, go to the spans, look at the span list, check out a waterfall, even look at the metrics associated with the service and the endpoint. I have, almost everything I could possibly need right here in front of me. I can take a look at logs. Now let's go down into the container. What are the metrics associated or outlier metrics with the container usage itself? What about the nodes? So all of the subsequent questions that I might end up asking of how's this, how's that, and how's this, even how's the underlying runtime for this language doing, and how's the overall performance? Oh my goodness. I love it. I really encourage you to check it out. Hit kloudfuse.com. There's a playground link. You can try the same things. Have an awesome day.